Hi there, I'm Jordan and I'm going to be showing you around Greenbank Student Village, our fabulous off-campus accommodation here at the University of Liverpool. Staff can appreciate that it can be daunting moving into halls, so we want to give you as much information as possible about what to expect and what you'll need to bring when moving in. Based on the former Rathbone family estate in a leafy suburb of the city, Greenbank provides you with everything you need to set up a home away from home. Set against the beautiful backdrop of Sefton Park, nearby Smithdown Road and Lark Lane offer quirky restaurants and independent coffee shops, making it a popular area with Liverpool's student community. We have Premier Ensuites, Premier Studios and Premier Studio apartments to choose from, all with 3/4 size beds and ensuite bathrooms. This is an example of our Premier Ensuite room. The room comes with a desk and desk chair, shelving, a bedside cabinet and a wardrobe. You'll also get a full-length mirror, hooks and a desk light. Your rent also includes Wi-Fi, so you can browse the web, stream and game when you're not on campus. There's plenty of storage space in the room, under the bed, in and on top of the wardrobe, or in the shelves around and under your desk. Whatever you bring, there'll be a place for everything. The Premier Studio and Premier Studio apartments are similar, except they also have cooking facilities in the same room. The ensuite bathroom is well equipped for you to shower and get ready for the day or the night. You get a powerful shower, toilet and sink to yourself. A heated towel rail keeps your towels dry after using them too. Like your bedroom, it's your own responsibility to keep the bathroom clean. Before moving in, consider not only what you will need, but also what will help your bedroom to feel more like your space. Posters, photographs and things from your bedroom at home can really help you to settle in. Use this list as a guide when you're planning what to bring. For the bathroom, think about bringing not only toiletries, but also cleaning products and towels. Take a look at the Uni Kit Out online shop for inspiration of what to bring, or visit Liverpool city centre in the first few days to buy any extras. Those with a Premier Ensuite will share a kitchen with anywhere between 4 and 9 people. The kitchens at Greenbank are spacious and give you plenty of room to store food and equipment. As you can see, there's plenty of cupboards and storage space. You'll get at least one oven, a set of hobs, fridge freezers, a microwave, toaster and a kettle. There'll be enough of each of the appliances so that the flat can share. You'll also get a table and chairs so that you can eat your meals, as well as a dedicated living space for relaxing with your flatmates. The space comes with a television too. A live TV licence covers you when you're watching live tea in the living space, although you will need to buy a separate licence to watch TV in your bedroom. Add pots, pans, cutlery, mugs and glasses to your list of things to bring with you on moving in day. Of course, don't forget food, as you will need to eat while staying at Greenbank and there are no catering facilities on site. There'll be lots going on during your first week, so it's important that you spend time making friends and getting to know the local area when you arrive. Please remember not to bring any fairy lights or candles to Greenbank Student Village, as they don't meet the health and safety regulations of the halls. With a dedicated bus service taking you directly to campus, fantastic green space in the local area and on-site gym access included in the cost of your rent, with access to tons of equipment and digital fitness classes, we think you'll feel right at home living at Greenbank Student Village. Our on-site residential advisor team are on hand if you have any trouble when you've moved in, and the accommodation team, based on campus at Crown Place, can help you with your accommodation related queries. Before making an application, we strongly recommend that you visit our website, where you'll find information about each of our halls of residence. You can also visit our Halls Life website and social media pages, which give you an idea of what it's like to live in our halls. You'll find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube. All the links you need can be found in the description below. You can apply for accommodation as soon as you receive your student ID number via email. Applications are made by the accommodation portal on Liverpool Life. Apply early and think carefully about what is important to you when choosing your preferences. If you have any questions about Greenbank or any of our accommodations, be sure to visit our website at www.liverpool.ac.uk/accommodation or email the team at accommodation@liverpool.ac.uk. We're always happy to help.